All right. This is NFP Friday. It is 3rd of May 2024. This is Trap Trader from London. We are looking at ES. That's the NFP trampoline. Let's have a look. What have we got? So we had the data. Non-farm payroll, non-farm employment change, 175,000, so it's 60,000 less than expected. Unemployment rate went up from 3.8 expected to 3.9. So market likes that because that's a deflationary read. Let's quickly have a look how dollar behaved. So dollar is dumping initially on that number, came down, and market is up. Everything makes sense. So what's the plan for today? The plan is very simple. At the open, we have two options. Either we're gonna fade the gap and market, this is 40 points at the moment. Either we're gonna fade this gap to the downside, grab around 20 points and basically walk away, finish the day. Or we're gonna have gap and go situation if we hold 150 level. Target is something around 55,180. So that's the plan for the day. Market is about to open in 5 minutes. We are looking at MES. I'm trading another valuation account. Made a little scalp today. And I'm thinking, should I trade ES or MES? I think I'm going to trade MES. Go with 5 as an initial and then add on the way down or up, depending what we're going to do. All right, so it's yesterday's high, this level here. So eventually, if we fade the gap, potentially we could go down here. Let's put information. Yesterday high. Oops. The problem with this gap is that it's a big gap. It is like 50 points. 50 points gap. We have overnight action as well, so I'm gonna put that level as well. Like a first resistance. If we get back. And that was the high of, was the day 1st of May. Tuesday, right? Or Wednesday. Yeah, it was this FMOC high. All right. 3 minutes. So I'm gonna pause this video and we start just before the open. 30 seconds till open. Let's watch that. Market
So
is,
we're looking now
market
to
is
the
open.
market on open imbalance, 500 million to the buy side.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
All right. So we opened at 53. That's the open. Not what I meant. Somewhere here. Let's see. This is gap and go. Or are we gonna fight that? On RT8, they just sold into this buy side. So if I bring that and we switch to RTH, they have just done that right now on RTH. They did sell into that. So let's pay attention. What's gonna happen now? Are we gonna fade it? Are we gonna push higher? Okay. Let's see. Because we're gonna have a fair value gap now, the bearish one. Potentially off that 50. "11 seconds. And I want to see another candle open and push higher into this fair value gap here. I just don't want to waste time. Let's see. We're gonna get that or not. Are we just gonna continue lower immediately? I want to be short here. Let's see if I can get it. I might not get it. They might just go. Oh, yeah. That's the problem. Already selling. Let's see if we're gonna get that. There is a possibility that we could go up here, but no. Don't want to chase this. Target is 140 for sure. Or maybe here, 41. It's not enough. I would like to pick that short at 49.
In 10 minutes time now at 9:45 a.m. Eastern time, we get the US S&P Services PMI final read. Forecast 51, prior
Got
50
PMI as
spot
well,
9,
right?
range of 51 spot 1 to 50 spot
I said
9.
PMI at 10
We also get the
o'clock.
composite PMI final, forecast 51 as well, on the prior 50 spot 9.
Market could dump it. Fuck it. Let's just try. Because we might go.
Order filled.
No. That was a stupid trade. You can continue low, obviously, but most likely they're gonna cover here. That was the entry immediately here at the open. Let's see how far we're gonna go on that bounce. So they grabbed that 15-minute candle. That was the 15-minute candle one. You don't see it here. It's in here. They grabbed that low on the 15 minutes. Let's see what we're gonna do next. Are we gonna bounce off that level now? Grabbed all this sell side. Try to push it higher. Into that high and sell here. Or we will just climb back into this fair value gap and dump it.
Order submitted.
Or we're just gonna continue lower now. We have a fair value at 50 as well. That's where it is. If you look closely, it's in here. Very thin, but it's there. So I will go like this.
Order submitted.
We'll see. It's weak. Weak at the open. Very weak. I'm looking to fade this, I think. Quick dump
Order
into
filled.
30. 32. Let's
Order
just add
filled.
into that. Let's go to 30. Don't reverse on me now. Holding this level. All right.
Order
Wrong.
filled.
I think I'm wrong. I'm gonna bounce back. Back to 50.
Order
Let's go
filled.
long then. Close somewhere here. Into this fair value gap. on my head.
Order filled.
See a little bit of strength coming. That means I can hold one and close one here.
Order submitted.
Push now to
In
47.
5 minutes time now at 9:45 a.m. Eastern time, we get the US S&P Services PMI final read. Forecast 51 on the prior
Okay.
50.9 with a range of 51.1 to 50.9. We also get the S&P Composite PMI final.
Let's go, let's go,
Forecast
let's go. We're
51
gonna
on
get
the
out
prior
here with
50.9
one.
as well.
Come on.
Order
Right.
cancelled.
Got one out. Let's hold the rest. Fair value gap. Let's see if we're gonna squeeze through the fair value. There we go. Liquidity up to 157, so I'm gonna hold it till 155, 157. Trying to go get squeezed through this fair value. Okay, we got it. Next target 152.5. It's another fair value gap there. 152, I would say. We need to go through that little strip of gap. Just approaching it right now. We had some shorts here jumping on it. I was one of them, but lots of people is holding that. And we should squeeze through 55, push into 57, even 60. Yeah. All right, we pushed through this fair value gap. All right, we're too close. What's going on? Just at 10. Yeah. We are too close to 57, so I think we're gonna squeeze. And what I want to do
Order submitted.
is it's gonna hold that, but I want to give it back. I want 57. Push through 57. And I'm gonna hold the rest. For gap and go situation. Not sure if it's gonna happen, but it's a possibility. Bookmap is empty below. No liquidity below. Yeah. Zero liquidity. That's good. That's what I want to see. They can dump it to 47, so pretty much where I have my stop loss. I need to go a bit lower. They could dump it to 47. This is what the VWAP is. RTH VWAP. Well, let's hold it. 43. 52, somebody just came.
1 minute remaining now. I'll lead with the US S&P Services PMI final.
Oh shit, the PMI final. What do we do? I'm gonna cover one here. You know what? I'm just gonna get out because of PMI. Fine. I don't understand how. Okay, we're plus 348. You know, this. What was my entry? It was long here. We didn't go long up there, did we? Maybe we did. Fine, maybe we did. Because of my final PMI, I decided to bail, but
10 seconds.
you know what?
Order
Let's try to
submitted.
catch this like that. Let's see if we're gonna get a lucky week to the downside.
51 spot 3, 51
Yeah.
spot 3, higher than forecast 51, with the composite
Order
PMI final at
cancelled.
51 spot 3, 51 spot 3 as well, higher than forecast at 51.
All right, 300 something.
They're seeing a text release from Fed's Bowman here as well.
We jumped on
So
that.
Fed's Bowman says that
Unfortunately,
she
we didn't
remains
go to
willing to raise
30.
the federal
It's
funds rate
fine.
at a future
We
meeting
realized that
should
it was a
data,
mistake.
show that
Recovered
progress on
quickly.
inflation has stalled or reversed.
Reversed.
It's unclear whether the further supply
think we're
side
gonna go
improvements
up
will
now.
continue to lower inflation. Monetary policy stance appears to be restrictive, and she will continue to watch data closely to assess the appropriate monetary policy. Says her baseline outlook continues to be that
They
inflation
still
will
need to
decline further,
sell
with the
into
policy
that,
rate held
but
steady, and expects
to be
inflation
honest,
to
they
remain
just sold
elevated
into
for
the
some
15
time.
minutes on
So she
RTH.
remains
This is
cautious in her
RTH,
approach
so
to deciding future changes to the policy
let's
stance.
not underestimate
Says
that
the extensive
fact
data
that
revisions
we
in the
could
past few years
now we
makes
could
assessing
dump
the economy
lower.
even more challenging. Also, risk
So,
of loosening financial conditions and
let's
fiscal
see.
stimulus could juice demand, stalling and
I
Order
think I'm gonna
failed.
jump on the
inflation
short now
progress.
because I have missed it
She adds that
yesterday. I was
geopolitical
waiting
developments are
for
also
like
an
a
upside
final
risk
little
to
push into
inflation,
the highs.
and the inflow of new immigrants
Never happened.
to some areas that
So
lack
I'm
affordable
thinking
housing could push up rent
if
prices.
this
Says
turns
that there
around,
is a risk that strong consumer demand and again more immigration and tight labor
uh,
market
okay,
could
I
lead
think we're
to
gonna go up.
persistently high core services inflation.
Stop
Fine.
filled.
That's fine. We took that loss. $150. Let's wait for value gap. I think we can continue. Yes, there was something like this. Market basically opened. They never took that high. Let me check NQ. NQ already took that high. ES hasn't done it. No, they've done it now. Let's wait for another trade. Big boys are big. 2,374. They are buying. $47 past. What else have we got in calendar? Nothing. We have ISM services PMI at 10 a.m. I'm tempted. I'm really tempted to short this, but I need to see my entry. I
Protect your
need to see
trade
entry.
from macro
Let's
headline
wait.
risk with Financial Juice Pro.
Because if we
Now only
drop
$99
now,
a year
we're
for
gonna
a
go down.
real-time service.
So that's for sure. The only problem is NQ is already pushing higher. NQ is already above. ES is just holding.
The US S&P Services PMI April final report on the feed for anybody interested.
But it doesn't mean anything, to be honest.
So Chris Williamson in this report, who is the chief business economist at S&P, says that service sector growth slowed in April to a sluggish start to the second quarter of the US economy, alongside a
Watching dollar. Dollar is just
alongside a concomitant cooling in the
dollar is
rate of
just
growth of manufacturing output.
rejected
The
this
weaker
level.
service sector performance means
If we
overall
continue
business
lower, then
activity
market
grew
will
in
go up.
April at the slowest rate seen so far this year. Current levels, the PMI indicates that GDP is expanding at a
Much
modest
liquidity up
annualized
here.
rate of approximately
We have liquidity
1.5%
up to
so far in the second quarter.
65.
The report's key findings for the service sector in the US
Big boys
found
almost
growth of
3,000.
activity is at a 5-month low. New orders
And I would
fall for the
assume they
first
would
time in
like to
6 months.
push through,
Unemployment reduced for the first time in 46
go
months.
higher. You know, they have a lot of shorts here. I think they're gonna go. Let's just wait and see. We took that 57, 58, 1 point. We took that high by 1 point.
So we have posted out Fed Bowman's full speech on the feed for anybody interested. So this was a text release from Fed Bowman, the text of which was released on the Fed Reserve website, titled Brief Remarks on
No
the Economy
liquidity
and
below
Monetary Policy. So this was an unscheduled speech release.
At 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we get US ISM data, services PMI forecast 52 on the prior 51.4, with a range of 53.5 to 50.5. Services employment forecast 49 on the prior 48.5. Services new orders forecast 54.5.
We're holding the open price.
Services prices paid forecast 55 on the prior 53.4.
$10 till 10 o'clock. It looks like market is waiting for that number. Just gonna
Order
jump on
filled.
that now. Possible drop here. Let me
Order
add.
filled. Order submitted.
Let's see if we can do that. 8 more minutes. I'm just hoping now for a little drop before the number. Well, I might be wrong. I might be completely wrong. And we'll push higher. It's kind of yeah. I think I'm wrong. We might get back to 150 again. 49.50. Seven more minutes. Okay, out.
Stop. Order filled.
What happened? Am I long now? Alright, I'm long. Let's see the push higher. Squeeze to 65. Breakout. Breakout trade.
Iraq
64.
and Pakistan outline OPEC plus compensation cuts, according to a statement.
Even 70 is flashing.
At 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we get US ISM data, services PMI forecast 52 on the prior 51 spot 4, with a range of 53
more
spot
minutes
5
and
to 50 spot 5.
till we get the
Services
number.
employment forecast 49 on the prior 48 spot 5. Services new orders forecast.
Come on, let's go.
Services new orders forecast 54 spot 5 on the prior 54 spot 4, and services prices paid forecast 55 on the prior 53 spot 4. And Kazakhstan is to make compensation cuts of 389,000 barrels per day, according to OPEC. And Iraq to make compensation cuts of 602,000 barrels per day this year, again, according to OPEC.
So just noting the S&P 500 extending gains. It's up almost 1% now.
Should get a push to 65.
Japanese Finance Minister Suzuki declines to comment on current FX levels.
Order
Gonna
filled.
close one.
Order
Close
filled.
this thing. Let's have a look. Minus 16. Alright, so we gave some. It's alright. Let's see if we're gonna catch something. Silver bullet at 10 a.m. Let's get ready for that. This could be a potentially move to the downside. This could be move to the downside. But we still have this liquidity. 62, 65 wants to be traded. I'm not going to be buying this right now. We're too close to. We are too close to ISM services PMI. 1 minute and 29 seconds. It's kind of back and forward trading. I didn't want to get out from that long here, but because of the numbers, I got out. Maybe next time we'll just ignore it and hold. That was a good long from here.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with US ISM
I added
services
here.
PMI.
Yeah.
And Japanese Finance Minister Suzuki says FX should reflect fundamentals and excessive FX moves are undesirable.
Market is pulling a little bit. This 170 is waiting. Looks like a gap and go, but this all may change. Look at that. Empty. Empty.
10 seconds. 49 spot 4, 49 spot 4, lower than forecast 52. Services prices paid 59 spot 2, 59 spot 2, higher than forecast
It did
55.
take this
Services new
liquidity.
orders,
I'm gonna
52
short
spot 2,
this.
52 spot 2, lower than forecast 54 spot 5.
That's it.
Services employment 45 spot 9, 45
If we're
spot
gonna
9,
get our
lower than forecast
silver bullet
49.
trade now.
Seeing some slight downside in dollar.
Order filled.
Head. Let's head. There we go. There she is.
Downside in S&P as well.
There she's coming down.
Order
On
filled.
head. Come on. Go and grab that low. No. No point to go up. You just took the liquidity. Our pressure is to the downside. Come on. Let's hold this for I want 37. I want this view up. Good. I'm gonna cover something here.
Canceled.
Okay, we should get the view up. Normal liquidity above.
We have posted the ISM Services PMI April reports on the feed for all those interested.
Order
Add here.
filled.
Now let's go down now. $10 a.m. silver bullet trade. Let's see if it's gonna work. Break that low. Alright,
Order
cover one.
canceled.
We cover one here.
Order submitted.
To view up. One package. And we hold the rest. And to be honest, a low is 37. Yeah, that's the low. They should go down there and grab it. Come on. Let's look at 5 minutes. Alright. This 5 minutes looking pretty decent. Yeah. View up. Take me out here.
Order
Boom.
canceled.
Beautiful. Thank you very much. Stop loss break even. cover the cost. Well, let's see if we're gonna fade this gap now. First stop, a possible stop would be, well, that's if we're gonna take the whole gap, but I don't know if we're gonna take the whole gap. This is overnight high, right? No, that's overnight high. I'm gonna remove this. What is this anyway? Oh, that's okay. Let's keep that. Let's keep this thing. That is possible. Trapped longs here. On this level.
US Treasury
Don't want to be
yields
too
slightly
greedy.
fall after the ISM services sector data. That's the 10-year yield last down 5.9 basis points.
Maybe we'll add one more time. I could push into this fair value gap now. Everything is possible. But we didn't take that low yet, so my stop loss is there. Let's see. If they take me out, I will re-enter it higher. Okay, so they decided to take that candle. Now we're gonna drop lower.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today.
Are they gonna continue higher now? Alright, I wanna go.
Order filled.
Fine, I'm gonna short this from here.
Order submitted.
92%.
So, what? 948. That's decent. 900. Yeah, 948. That's a decent trade. Well, that's fine. Let's wait now for. If we're not gonna get filled, that's the end of the day for me. They close here. Fucking hell. Yeah, they went for that 1 minute here. We still have the open fair value gap. You know what? When moves like this happen, they don't come back here. Now we're gonna break the low, I think. There's no liquidity above zero. I mean, like, literally, I just want to jump on that thing. Just want to jump on that thing. But I'm going to wait. I'm not going to jump here. Where they're short. Gonna wait. Maybe we'll get one more push above this. Perhaps test of. Probably. Probably not. Probably it's not. That's not gonna happen. Yeah. The scalping mode is just triggering in me now. Like, hey, let's jump on that thing because we're gonna get a push. All right. I will leave it. Patience. Okay, we took that low now. Finally. Let's make a note of that. So some shorts covered. Have some liquidity now to 45. Probably will go to 49. We might take that 2 minutes stop. Try to squeeze it a bit higher. Yeah, so as you can see, like you're gonna wait for this fair value gap, right? The bearish one. But you missed all that move, 53 to 38, that's 15 points. And you could add on the way down, like I did it. We might get back here. We might get back here, yeah. Looking at Nasdaq as well. Nasdaq hasn't taken that low. ES did. I'm waiting for this trade. I want to get in here, somewhere here. Probably the opening price will be the barrier. If we get there, I'm gonna short. If we go higher, I'm gonna add. But I don't think we're gonna get up there. I think we're just gonna break that and go lower. Let's see. If I don't get this trade, then I'm done for today. Dollar is climbing. So market should drop. Look at that. I'm so tempted to jump on that thing. God damn it. Yeah, I closed it here. Wasted. Fucking hell. 10 points. Yeah, let's leave it. I don't see anybody here waiting, so any pop into 40 somewhere here. It's a fair value gap here right now. Another bearish fair value gap. Let's see what they're gonna do. Oh, we push through it. I mean, technically speaking, they took that 15 proper. Now they properly took the stop losses here. And if intention is to go higher,
Order cancelled.
they could do it now. But I think we're just gonna fade this gap, go lower. Got liquidity 130, 132. Not much here, that's the problem. Nothing, emptiness. Cosmic space, emptiness. Got liquidity here, 140, 142. And that means we'll have to squeeze through view up on top of this fair value gap. That fair value gap will become inverted fair value gap and could act as support for prices to go higher. But there's no liquidity so far. Maybe 50, somebody's thinking about 50. 55. Little smudge.
Goldman Sachs still
170
expect
again.
the Bank of England to start cutting interest
Slowly.
rates from June.
Hope for higher prices is coming back. Let's see. Let's see what Nasdaq is doing. All right, it's reversing right now as well. I will tell you something. I'm gonna
Order
try
filled.
stop a little long here. Let's see. We took the liquidity properly. It was a 4 points drop. Let's see if we're gonna squeeze now into POC or even higher up here. What I'm gonna do. Where is this? That's the optimal trade entry for short. At 70. Right. One tick below. At 70 here. So let's see something else. I wanna check something else. Okay, we'll have to go down here to have this 70 with fair value gap.
Order filled.
Can go down here. And then we're gonna have fair value gap at the 70 level. Imagine we drop down here. That would be a 70%. It's like ideal place to. I don't know. This thing just came to my mind that this could happen. That's why I decided to close and take that loss. I have idea that I might actually 125, and I can see that liquidity down there. I have idea that I might actually go short for this kind of move. I'm trying to predict where price is supposed to go, so we have this optimum trade entry and the fair value gap lined up together here. You know what I'm saying? So 25 would be the level, right? Let's see. We might go and grab this 42, 45 and then dump it and take that low one more time.
So looking now to the fear and greed index, 41 out of
Here.
100, which indicates fear.
At the full hour,
So fear and greed index is at
we're at
48 out of
half
100,
half
which indicates
past
neutral.
10.
We keep an eye on the VIX as well, which is down around 4% at 14.06.
It's a kind of gamble now. But who knows? I'm not taking the trade. I see liquidity up to 45. 45. Yeah, we're not really going anywhere. That's 800. The time is not right because it's 19 past, so I think we can still push a little bit higher. I'll try one more time. We'll push into 45. Can we have that? Or are we gonna dump it? I think we should get that 45. Because now market is grabbing that liquidity. I don't think we're gonna dump at this time. It's 19 past. If we dump it, we'll dump it at 30. But Push to 45. There's a few more shorts loading up right now. Keep a little bit more space, a little bit more. Because I think alright, and now should go up. Nah, I'm wrong, I'm wrong. So this whole idea, why is this thing not closing? The whole idea is that we're gonna go downhill. I thought we're gonna still push higher. So I took some losses. 700, we're 700. Or maybe now. Now I think now we're gonna do that. Come on, because that's not the time to go lower. And now we have a lot of shorts. Scalping, this is scalping, guys. It's just don't do that.
Just keep in mind in 10 minutes time now at 10:30
I'm like
a.m. Eastern time.
thinking we should push through that and take all the shorts out first.
Last minute interview.
You know, market is very greedy. They don't allow anybody to make money. We need to push through 42, 45, something like that.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
And like very quickly go up.
Order filled.
Gonna add here into this 44 level. They have 8 more minutes. So they have established that law. Grabbed a lot of liquidity here. And now we could push to this 40, 45. And later we'll dump. And that's just basically what the thing is. It's just kind of trading, very risky trading, what I'm doing right now. Because I'm against the trend. But I know market is doing this kind of shit all the time. Yeah. There's a possibility we can just slide down to this 25 and now. And I'm gonna get trap. But the ideal scenario would be if they push now to 45 and 50, basically. 45 and 50. To squeeze shorts out of the position first. POC, kind of. It has to happen very fast. Basically, I need to go up here. Squeeze everybody. View up. ETH view up. Got 5 more minutes. Yeah. Get a flash to this 25. And I will be out. I have to give space to 25. But I think we could just push. Ridiculous trading. That is a ridiculous trading. Yeah, there you go. Ideal scenario if we just push up into 50 now, but I don't know where the liquidity. There's no liquidity to go there. That's the problem. But at the same time, there's 125 waiting. But at the same time,
US Treasury yields now trimming losses
they would
after
reward
sharp
shorts
10-year yield last down 3.7 basis
if
points
they
and
allow
fell
price to go down there.
4.534%.
They would reward shorts. So I would prefer if we go to 45 and squeeze them first. There we go. Got some liquidity. 37. Good. We're gonna close at 45. We're gonna close one. We'll just do it manual. The moment I say it, I'll just get out. Now we have to take that view up. There we go. So market is behaving how it should. A lot of shorts shorting this. Let's go. Where's this 15-minute candle? That's a 15-minute top. That's here. So let's sell 5
Order
here.
submitted. Order
Thank
canceled.
you. We hold the rest. And who knows? Who knows? Maybe we'll go to 150. That's a fair value gap, bullish fair value gap here. Liquidity is 45. Do I want to give more space? There is a danger that we can dump it now and go to this 25, I was thinking, but it's more probable now we're going to go higher. More to 50, more like 50, and they're going to go there very, very fast. Yeah. There we we're gonna go very, very fast. We got a 15 minutes candle here to take. Let's push for it. Got that 15 minutes candle up there. Have we pushed? Oh shit, we already pushed. We already pushed for that 15-minute by 1 tick. That's not what I want. I want a bit more than 1 tick. Oh, like 1 point, 2 points. Big boys 5,400.
Fed Scoresby says 175,000 jobs is a very solid report.
How about we just gonna go to 150 now? Squeeze through that, start squeezing the shorts. And then we're gonna go to 70 up here into this fair value gap. That's a possibility. I think I'm gonna give a little bit of space. I might even add a little bit. Yeah, we can go 35. The fair value, there is another fair value gap here. Here's one. There's another
Fed
one
Scoresby
here.
says hit a bump on inflation at the start of the year. Says you need to take a step back and see what the inflation bump is.
Yeah, we need to take this 45. That's RTH view up.
Fed Scoresby says
See
the
if they're
more
gonna
jobs
make that.
reports that look like they did pre-COVID,
Or
the
they will
more
decide
confidence
to
there is
actually
that the
to
economy
go
is not
lower and
overheating.
grab that low one more time. Okay.
Order filled.
So where are we? 930. Fine. Looks like we're gonna go for that 25 now. To that 30, to 25. I think we will go down there. Because here we got the liquidity, and if I want this, that's the level. We got some shorts trapped here. They're gonna be getting out. So I think it's a possibility now. By looking at book map, I can see liquidity down here, 35 to 25. So that's 10 points. I think we're ready to go lower. Let's
Order
try.
filled.
Let's just try now. Grab that 25. Why am I 4 only?
Fed Scoresby says the Fed
Order
must get
filled.
comfortable that recent inflation is not a sign of re-acceleration.
Yeah, we're gonna just dump it. To 25. Let's not be too greedy because there'll be some front running. So that's how I see it. That was a lovely push to take out these shorts, and hopefully we're gonna continue lower.
Fed Scoresby says what happened
There's
in the
always
job
danger
market
that
this year has
they
to
can
be
actually decide to
reformed
make
based
another
on
leg up.
estimates of higher immigration.
Do you want
I
to stay
think
up
we're
to
too
date with the
close to
latest
that
and be on the bleeding edge of
liquidity
news
down
for
there
non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial
to give it a
News Pro
pass.
for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month.
And if we
and
dump it,
92%.
we could just could get a good run, you know. I don't know. I might just do something like that. Close 2 here, just to bank something,
Order submitted.
and hold the rest. In case we're gonna collapse. Alright. Come on. Okay, now. One tick. Are you gonna stop me now?
Fed Scoresby says the more jobs reports like today, the more comfort I will have.
There is a possibility. That could. That was the bottom.
Order cancelled.
One tick.
Fed Scoresby says I think monetary policy is restrictive.
We'll
Order
try one more
filled.
time here. Let's see.
Says the real federal funds rate is as high as it has been in decades.
So if we drop now, we're gonna go. We have to drop. If we drop.
Fed Scoresby says I have to get more comfort on whether the Fed is still on a path to lower inflation.
It's holding. Oh,
Order filled.
get out. Oh shit. That's just holding too long. That's the problem. Better get out if you're not sure. It's kind of they did take some of the shorts here, right? But they didn't take all of them. There's always. I really hope we'll push through this week. It looks like either they want to load more shorts and we're gonna have a bigger drop, or they are actually buying
JP
it
Morgan
here.
expects the ECB to deliver 75 basis points of interest rate cuts in
gonna
2024
go up.
after it removes the October cut.
Yeah. This could be, second
Gorsby
entry
says if the
short.
Fed remains restrictive
failed.
too long, it will have to think
shorts,
about the
we got
employment
more
side
shorts
of the
now.
mandate, but current numbers are
And
solid.
if we squeeze for this, we're gonna go. So now I'm thinking, this candle was like rejection, immediately rejected off the bottom. Let's
Order
try long,
filled.
because we could get a squeeze to POC 50. Second leg up into 50s. this needs to be below here. We are holding. We can squeeze now.
Fed Scoresby says when the business cycle turns, it is not subtle, with credit
40
deteriorating,
past
unemployment rising.
10,
And we have not
20 more
seen that yet.
minutes. We have this 2 15 minutes candles. Kind of, smooth. That's the level. No, it's a bit higher. Here. That's the level. Squeeze through. And then we have the target here and possibly even up there. There we go. View up. I'm gonna
Order
add for
filled.
push into 45. Come on. You know we want to go up. They have invested already some money into this long. So it will have to be concluded. The transaction should happen at 150 and somebody's waiting already 150 here. See that? POC. Are we gonna sell at 49? Can chop around here for a while. Stop loss needs to be below. Yeah.
Order filled.
Just add one. A good measure. To boost my confidence in that long. Let's hold. Let's go to 150. Ten handles. First, we're gonna take that. I might try to sell something here. Once we take that 15 minutes top, take some partials to not to be so greedy. Let's go. All right,
Order-
we'll take 3
Order
here.
canceled.
We have space to 150. I can hold it now. Should go 45. The only problem is the time. So I'm gonna take
Order canceled.
one more here, just in case they will decide to reverse into that fair value gap. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna take 3
Order
here.
submitted.
Hold another 2 up there. See what's gonna happen. Now shorts are in panic. The best thing you can do in your trading is to think, if I was short, what would I do now? I can tell you what shorts are doing. They're hoping. I'm gonna leave this. If I'm stopped, I'm stopped. Because there's always danger that they took that 15 minutes and we're gonna dump it again, buy more. Yeah. Are you going to squeeze through this RTH view up or not? Do the fucking job and go above. Shorts are like, oh shit, I hope this thing is gonna drop. Not my friend. Hope is a bad thing. Hope is the terrible thing in trading. If you're wrong, get the fuck out. And now, the final squeeze to 70% into this fair value gap, perhaps even there, right? They have time. They have 13 more minutes. It doesn't need to happen immediately. And we have to go above that RTH view up. Yeah. It's like a fucking magnet. And liquidity up there, 150. I'm not saying we're not gonna I'm gonna drop this actually here. And you know what? I'm gonna even add, if they go down here,
Order
I'll add
submitted.
2. Because we are holding this level. And we are preparing for the push higher. Stop loss needs to be here, technically speaking. We do have liquidity above. So let's go and grab it. $11 more minutes. If you trapped short here, what are you gonna do when the price comes down? He's just gonna buy to get out. This is why I'm adding. This is why I want to add. $37. Right. Let's see. Maybe even cheaper. Maybe we might get cheaper. Come on.
Order filled.
Alright, we're in. And hopefully this short will start to buy. And we're gonna climb back up here. That's how market's supposed to behave. Unless they want to go even lower. Oh yeah. They can go lower as well. To grab even more. Let's see. This candle will tell us the truth. If they go back into VWAP and hold it, we can hold our trade. But if they don't do that, I'm out. I need to go back to VWAP now. RTH VWAP. So, no,
Order filled.
I'm out. See, a bit long. Well, we can still get in, we'll see, but it's 5 minutes, got 2 more minutes. So sometimes the last minute on the 5 minutes is the entry. Buys liquidity up to 32, 30 even. The danger is we're gonna go and dump into that level now and finally take it. So 25 level. Oh, let's wait. Well, we 1000. Whoa, that's good. And grabbing that liquidity. Let's see if they're gonna go and grab the bottom. Seven more minutes. They have 7 more minutes to do that. Last minute on that 5 minute candle. So now is the truth. Which way we're gonna go? A lot of liquidity at 32 and 30. So I'm thinking lower. Hmm. 40 seconds on this 5 minute candle. Yeah, we're gonna go lower. I think we'll go lower. To grab that 2 15 minute candles, go back to what's this RTH. Oh, the gap is quite big. So let's quickly have a look. Here's the gap. That's the gap. Wednesday. Here's the gap from yesterday. So if we fall, we'll see. Let's try
Order
long.
filled.
Let's try this long one more time. See liquidity at 140, 145, 150. And they have grabbed a lot of liquidity now with this pull down. So, and we could squeeze through 45. In the last 5 minutes, and we're going to be somewhere close to 45, and then we're going to push through it, and then we'll go to 70. That is a possibility. We're going to be adding on the way up. That's going to happen. If not, we'll close. Mm. Weak.
Order filled.
Better be out. Right. I think we're gonna go for the 25 now. It's just I think they're gonna grab that. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It's okay. We are still up $943. We're waiting 3 more minutes and they have this level. We could push even to 18. Don't know what's 18. 18. What do I have? Yeah. Yesterday high. It's not yesterday high. What is this level? Oh, that's this level. Okay. That's overnight high. That is overnight high. Like a little spike there, but technically speaking here. Okay, 2 more minutes. Bearish fair value gap. Liquidity below.
Order filled.
Let's fucking go down. Because this could be a nice low ride to the downside. Very nice. I think it's just asking for it. No. There you go. One minute. Yeah. Okay, 11 o'clock. Let's go down. 125. Don't do that. Don't want to take me up. To 40. Hmm. Somebody stepping it at 34. 33. I took him. Yeah, I mean, this 27 is asking to be taken. It's just a lot of liquidity on both sides, and but once we go to 27, we will hit 25. Market will be too close to ignore this liquidity down there. We need to break this 27. I mean, 30. We need to break 30. And we are not doing it. We are not doing it yet. Flush it. Flush it now. Come on. Hmm. don't like my entry. It's in the lower part. Yeah.
Order filled.
No. I don't like my entry. This market is holding. I don't know. Took that little loss. That brings us to what? 893. 893. But I don't want to go long here. I still think we're going to flush this. So I'm going to wait till we flush it. Maybe I'll get a better entry. Just kind of jumped on that thing. I thought we are going to go on in momentum. But here is a fair value gap. Yeah, the bearish one. $140 liquidity up to 140. So let's do this properly. It's 245. They could go and push through that to take everybody out first, and then dump it. Yeah, but they have space to 140. So let's wait for this 140. Yeah, we did take that. We took that. Liquidity. Okay, now you're gonna go. Eight past 4, 8 past 11. But technically speaking, a silver bullet trade is over. But we might get a flush. Yeah. We might get a flush. Look at that. Yeah. I think they're gonna go for it now. Let's
Order
try one
filled.
more time. Let's see.
Order
Thank you.
filled.
That brings us back to 1000. Go to flush. Let's see what market's gonna do now. Probably the danger of going lower is that we do have this trapped shorts from Wednesday. Are they gonna be escaping? But not a lot. The liquidity is here, to be honest. Well, yeah. I'm gonna short into this loss. Although I think possible target. I mean, if we go, we can go down here, 15. What is it, 15? some stupid level. Remove that. So we got to this level now, right? Almost 125. So you see this calculation about the fair value gap at 70%. Look at that. We could go there. We could go there. Well, we'll see. We'll see. We have not touched. That's 25 yet. It was 26. This could be just, liquidity trying to pull market down. Too low, to add more longs in this area. Here's the gap, but this is Wednesday. So we did touch that 26. Okay, so that was 26 actually. Because I'm trading MES. Yeah, okay. So we did touch this MES. First shorts managed to close. This level has been taken. All that liquidity has been taken. We have 11 o'clock, which is 1 hour and a half from the open. I'm $1,000 up for the day.
Natural gas
It's
futures
Friday.
extending their gains. The price is up to the highest level since February of 2024 now.
Shit weather in London. If it was better weather, then it's strange how weather can actually influence your trading. All right, I think this is over for me. You need to know when to walk away from the table. $1,008. This is Trap Trader from London. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And take care. See you on Tuesday, because Monday is bank holiday. Take care.